Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to review security activity in Gmail on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to make sure your phone is already connected to the internet or not by Wi-Fi or by the mobile data. And after, just go ahead to your Gmail application. So guys, I'm gonna tap on it, and if you want to review your security activity, just go ahead to this account icon at the top right in the corner of your screen. Now tap on this manage your Google account. After, in this page you just have to scroll it down and we'll find out this security and sign on. Just go ahead, and as you can see, this is my recent security activity, guys. You will automatically view this security activity in the security and sign-in options. To see your more activity, here you just have to tap on this review security activity. Just tap on it, and as you can see, this is my activity on my Gmail account. So yeah, I think it's enough guys, a tutorial from me how to review security activity in Gmail on Android. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.